Despite financial difficulties faced in preparing for the 2026 edition of the Corporate Area Championships, organizers say everything was done to ensure that schools in Kingston and St. Andrew get to test their readiness ahead of the big dance next month. As Gerard Morris Sealer reports, the meet was launched on Tuesday at the NHT Sports Club.
Athletes, coaches and sponsors were among those gathered to officially start the countdown to this month's Corporate Area Champs in Kingston, a two-day event where schools start to fine-tune preparation for the highly anticipated ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Champs. The meet, which gets underway in 10 days' time, faced some challenges with sponsorship to cover the $12 million bill. However, Chief Executive Officer Ricky Martin says they were prepared for the difficult times ahead and are still aiming to have a successful meet for the athletes.
I did say it last year on record that there's going to be a lot of cancellation this year because sponsorship dollars has dried up. And not many people out there believe in track and field. But track and field is one of the biggest vehicles to transport kids to a higher heights for college scholarships and contracts professionally.
Jamaica College will be eyeing the boys' title at the National Championships, and their coach, Dwayne Johnson, says this year's Corporate Champs is about more than participation.
I extend to my coaching staff that I would want to go after this year, just to build some confidence within our group, to see that, we can compete for championship this year. With the opportunity given to unearth new talent, Penwood High School coach Daryl Gardner plans to use the meet as exposure for his younger athletes with the hope of building a successful program in the future.
As time goes by, we start from the grassroots program, so once we get the grade 7 kids out, then we can build towards grade 11 and 6th form. The idea is just to get them the opportunity to, through development, in training, showing them what's right, what's wrong, what's best, and once they get stronger, then we should look forward to greater things.
Excelsior and Kingston College are the defending girls and boys champions for the Corporate Area Champs, which is set for February 20 and 21 at the Ashnime Stadium in St. Andrew. Gerard Morris Sealy for TVJ Sports.